Here's a task that every gardener hates, waiting to fill the can. Thirty seconds. One minute. One minute, 30 seconds. One minute, 40 seconds, and we're full. Took a while, didn't it? Now, take a look at this rig here. Same type of barrel, same can. Let's give it a go. On the mark. Ten seconds. 20 seconds. 25 seconds, and I've got a full can. Okay, so what's the secret? Follow me. Everything that I'm about to show you is standard fittings from a DIY shop, builder's merchant, or a garden store. Let's have a look. This is the guttering from my house. Standard rainwater interceptor. These come with the barrel kits into a rainwater barrel, which is not alone. I've got a row of them. These are stood, not on the little plastic bases they come with, but with a pair of strong custom-made wooden bases, the purpose being to raise it up as high as possible so I get a bit of extra pressure. The barrel kits normally link together at the top. You can chain them together like that, but imagine if you emptied the barrel at the end and you were draining from that end. Once that one was empty, these ones wouldn't fill into it. The only way to link barrels together is at the bottom. Standard plumbing fittings. These are actually connectors for a cold water header tank, connected with 22mm flexible pipe. A small overflow here, save disaster. That just goes into a drain. Now, another header tank fitting into 22mm pipe. Runs along the wall to this 22mm tap. Look at that. Look at that flow rate. Tees off here. Goes under the ground. Follow me. And it pops out of the ground here between my two greenhouses. More standard plumbing fittings. Stake in the ground to mount things. And into the base of another rainwater barrel. This barrel is at precisely the same height as the ones alongside the house, so that the water level in here is the same as the others. This little tee off section is a level gauge. It goes up, the water in here goes up and down as the barrels go up and down, as the water in the barrels go up and down. There we go. Tees off here to another tap, the one you just saw. It's a standard plumber's 22mm lever tap, quarter of a turn on, quarter of a turn off. Light angled copper pipe at the bottom to direct the water in a single jet rather than have it spray everywhere.